Let's discuss discussion on the topic renting of motor vehicles. There are two parts in where design motor vehicle is designed for passengers, and secondly it's designed for goods. Now let's discuss the first part where it was designed for passenger. So first part is if cost of fuel is included in consideration, then there are two options. Option one, if supplier charges 5% without ITC on input capital goods input services other than on same line of business. Second option is if supplier charges 20% with ITC of input service and capital goods. Now let's come back to the goods part. If it's designed for carrying goods, there are two options. One is time charter of vessel for transportation of goods. In that case, if supplier charges 5% without ITC other than ship vessel. In case of other cases, it's 18%. So now let's discuss in case of motor vehicle where cost of fuel is included in consideration and supplier chooses option B, that is charging 12%. In that case, FCM shall be applicable, and if supplier is other than body corporate, then if it charges 5%, then RCM shall be applicable, and lastly, if it's not registered, means supplier that who is other than body corporate, if it's not registered, then RCM shall be applicable. Now comes recipient part. Recipient should be body corporate, then it should be RCM shall be applicable. Now discuss some of the cases in this renting of motor vehicle part. Like if supplier is non-body corporate, that is charging at the rate of 5%, then if recipient is body corporate, then RCM shall be applicable. In second case, if supplier is a non-body corporate and recipient is body corporate, then RCM shall not be applicable, FCM shall be applicable. If supplier is non-body corporate and recipient is non-body corporate, then RCM shall not be applicable, FCM shall be applicable. If supplier is body corporate and recipient is body corporate, then RCM shall not be applicable, FCM shall be applicable. If supplier is a body corporate and recipient is non-body corporate, then RCM shall not be applicable, FCM shall be applicable. These are the 5 cases for renting of motor vehicle where ICAI can ask you a question.